Tripp-Lite's wall mounts for flat panel displays free up valuable space in workstations, conference areas, meeting rooms, security stations, and home theaters by allowing you to reposition your display at any time, even after installation. Available in fixed, tilting, and full motion models, their durable, all-metal frames support screen sizes of up to 70 inches and weights of up to 200 pounds. VESA-compliant hole patterns, included mounting hardware, and built-in bubble levels make installations quick, easy, and secure on walls with timber or masonry construction, including wooden studs, bricks, and concrete. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective way to make your display stand out, order a wall mount from Tripp-Lite.